Indirect questions are questions embedded within another sentence. They sound more polite and formal than direct questions. Instead of asking directly, we use phrases like "could you tell me" or "do you know?" Indirect questions always start with special phrases. "Could you tell me" introduces polite requests. "Do you know" works for general information. "I was wondering" sounds thoughtful and gentle. "Do you have any idea" asks for opinions. "I would like to know" shows interest. "Would it be possible" asks permission politely. "Is there any chance" seeks possibility. Here are simple examples. "Could you tell me where the bathroom is" combines a polite phrase with location. "Do you know if the office is open" asks about status politely. "I was wondering when the train arrives" sounds natural and soft. Notice each starts with a phrase, then the question part. Direct questions invert subject and verb like "where is the station?" Indirect questions keep normal statement order like "the station is." "What time does it open" becomes "what time it opens." "Are you coming" changes to "you are coming." The word order flips back to normal in indirect form. The most important rule is word order. Direct questions say "where is the station" with verb before subject. Indirect questions say "where the station is" with subject before verb. Always use subject then verb order like normal statements. No inversion in indirect questions. Yes/no questions need if or whether. "Is it raining" becomes "do you know" if it is raining. "Does she live here" changes to "could you tell me" if she lives here. "Have you finished" turns into "I wonder whether you have finished." Use if or whether before subject verb order. Questions keep their question word. "What time it starts" follows "do you know." "Where she lives" comes after "I wonder." "How to get there" pairs with "could you tell me." Always question word, then subject, then verb in that exact order. Practice makes perfect. "When does the movie start" becomes "do you know when the movie starts." "Did she call you" changes to "I wonder if she called you." Keep the question word or use if. Always subject before verb. Try converting your own questions this way.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.